advanced computer science is the next level of a computer science. If someone has a computer science background or foundation, then of course if they want to develop their expertise, they can enroll for the Master in Advanced Computer Science. Students will be exposed to advanced technology that currently are in the market. One of them is AWS, which is Amazon Web Service, and the other one is the Google Cloud. These two major cloud computing players, they will be part of our syllabus and the teaching content. The level of the information that we will share with students, they are at the expertise level.
GCU have such a great platform. They have the good ranking, they have the good campus, they have the good neat and clean classroom, they have the best systems, they have the best professors, they have the best research method, they have the libraries, they have the best network.
We will expose students to many academic societies and associations that are directly related to computer science, data engineering, and so on. Throughout the trimester, I do invite someone coming from the industry to provide the most current knowledge in terms of the program that we are teaching. Recently, we had two major events. We do engage with the outside, with the industry, in order to make the student journey beneficial. Having several ways to digest the information, students tend to enjoy it, and you can see them by the end of their journey that they have developed their theory, but the most important, they have the knowledge how the theory can be applied in real life.